All right, everybody, how's it going? It's yours truly. Let's talk about this really, really cool 20-piece ratcheting wrench set. This is from Amazon. It's part of the Amazon Basics line where they have some everyday, things for you at a reasonable price. And this is no exception to that rule. One of the interesting things that I found besides the price was uh, the attention to detail to the specific tool, especially in this price range. I wasn't expecting anything cool. I have some Tecton ratcheting stuff that's pretty great. And I don't have a good just standard wrench set that has a ratcheting feature to it. And I'm getting some motorcycles, so I want my own tools. I'm not a mechanic, by the way, and I'm probably going to document all this as I go along on my journey into my new hobby, et cetera, and just commuting around the valley, just going out doing some new things. So, anyways, this set this is how it comes in the box. By the way, it comes in a small box. It comes nicely wrapped in this little canvas pouch. And it holds all 20 pieces. And I like the stitching of the Amazon Basics here. I don't know if this is stitched or printed. This looks like it was printed. The printing that was done on the pouch is excellent. And I do like the yellow outline. Yellow is not really my favorite color. I don't even know if that's like the primary color of Amazon. But again, it's really easy to spot at the corner of your eye. I like that. And of course, we have these Velcro straps. I know Velcro straps are generally really cheap for pouches like this, and especially in this price range, but these are actually are pretty good, and I'm not worried about this coming undone. And this is kind of heavy. I mean, it's not heavy for me, but it's got a decent amount of weight to it because you have 20 of these wrenches in variable sizes. And yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Ta-da! Okay, so again, you got really great printing all throughout the pouch, so you know exactly what size wrench goes where. Everything has its place. It's fantastic. I like it. One thing I noticed is that this is the finish on this is actually quite good, but they didn't really polish it up, make it look real nice. I'm gonna have to do that. But they came in excellent condition, obviously, because these are brand new. But some of the finishing work on this is just not what you'd get if you were to buy like a Milwaukee tool or even some Tecton tools for that matter, or something from Matco or Snap-on. But I went through every single one of these because it was so inexpensive, and I just don't know what I'm getting. I just wanted to make sure the action on these are great, and just to make sure that there's no blemishes or dings or dents on any of this. So let's just go ahead and talk about what is on these wrenches. So first off, you get the Amazon Basics logo on there. Very cool. It's printed on there. I would have preferred something that's engraved, because this is going to wear out a little bit, especially if you're like, let's say, like a rookie or starting mechanic, and you use these every single day. I have no doubt in my mind that these are going to last if you use them exactly as they were intended to. But this is going to wear off. That's going to stink. What else do we have? See, like right here, you have these little arrows that indicate which way. Let me see if I can give you the exposed view. Yeah, right here where my finger is pointing is a little arrow that shows you which way the ratcheting mechanism is going. So it goes that way, and then if you flip it over, the arrow is pointing at it right here. It's going the other way. So yeah, so just because this isn't as high end or as fancy as some of the other wrench sets that exist that you can buy, because some of them have like the reversible feature, so you have a little switch, and you can go left or you can go right, and it's really really easy. It's a luxury, to be honest, but you can tighten up fasteners or loosen them. All you got to do is just flip them over. For those who don't know how these tools work, and of course, they certainly engraved the size of these wrenches here. They engraved the arrows. They engraved the material that these are made out of. There was just slight inconsistency in some of the smaller ones, just because I guess it's going so small, and the attention to detail just decreases. It's just something that happens when you get a wrench set of this in this price range. But no, these are excellent. They just got to be cleaned up a little bit. It seems like there's just fingerprint marks all over this thing. I guess when they were putting them together. Let's see if I can bring one of these closer to you, just so you can hear the action. Let me see if it picks it up. The action is very satisfying. Here, let's do a smaller one. Let's get a smaller one over here. Some of them are more quiet than others. Yeah, so this is so these are great, man. So you get the what's it called? The SAE measurement, and then of course you get the other one. Oh my God, why am I totally brain farting on this? So you get the metric. Duh. God, I should know better. Yeah, so you get your metric and you get your imperial sets. And again, if you're starting out and you don't want to invest too much money on a wrench set, I think this is perfect for you. I think this set is perfect for me, even though I can afford something a little bit better. Again, I have some Tecton stuff, and I have some other wrenches that don't have all the the ratcheting feature, and they're from Falcon Innovations, and they're really great, and they're still in excellent condition, and the finish on those is just pristine, man. They're gonna last me a very long time. These can last you a very long time too if you use them exactly as they were intended to. I don't have my motorcycles yet. Here, let me bring this up closer. Dude, this is very, very satisfying. Actually, let me see if I can get a microphone closer to it here. I'm gonna turn this on. All right, that's enough of that. So yeah, the action on these is fantastic, man. I am just surprised. Let's see. One thing that I would have liked, which I don't know, you probably would have increased the price, because these wrenches they're very very flat. Some of the more higher end ones, they have a very very slight offset or just slightly tilted on on this end right here, and it's just something that you don't get with these. These are very flat, and I mean, I guess that's great if that's what you want, especially if you need to get into certain spots, and it deviating one side to the other might hinder your ability to remove a fastener or to tighten one. So I don't know. I like the offset stuff. They always tend to be a little bit more useful than not. So yeah, this is the Amazon Prime's basic ratcheting wrench set. This is a 20-piece set. You can get one in 22. You can get them in smaller sizes if that's what you need, because I know not everybody needs wrenches. I do, because I'm getting into motorcycles and stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this ratcheting wrench set. Again, I think this is a real winner. I think these are of good to high quality tools, and if you're getting started on motorcycle riding or small you're doing extreme sports or something. You're working on small, automobiles, small vehicles, or whatever you want to call them. I think this is a real winner. I think this is a real winner. It's not going to match the quality and the customer service of the Milwaukee, of Snap-on, of Matco, etc. But this'll get you by, man. Maybe more, it'll get you by and some, in my opinion. I spent a lot of time working with tools, installing solar, doing electrical work, building firearms, and my tools ain't cheap. I spend a lot of money on my tools, so I know a loser when I see one, and I don't think these tools are losers. It's kind of weird that they come from Amazon. I'm not gonna do so many videos. I'm gonna try not to do so many videos on Amazon tools, because I'd rather shop locally. I'd rather support the good brands, support buy American. But man, I just couldn't resist, dude. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Peace.